Hi everyone and welcome to Phil Judges. Tonight I want to talk about two things. First of all, this new microphone that I got. Audio sounds average right now, but I'll fix that in 3, 2, 1. Voila, much better audio. So here's the story. I went out the other day and I bought myself a new microphone. The one I bought is the Rode VideoMic Go. It only cost me about $99 and so far it seems pretty good. It's lightweight, it just attaches to the top of my camera and it connects in by the 3.5mm headphone jack and Bob's your uncle. Now this would have been a really short video if I just spoke about my new mic, but I want to talk about something that I wake up thinking about and I go to bed thinking about, and that of course is No Man's Sky. The date is getting closer. The 9th of August 2016 is the release date here in Australia. Now I've been following this game since I first heard its announcement about 3 years ago, so I have been a fan since day one. Now if you've been living under a rock for the past 3 years and you have no idea what No Man's Sky is, it's without a doubt one of the, if not the, biggest game ever made. So without getting into the lore, you play as a character in a massively expansive and ever-changing universe that is progressively generated. What that means is when you fly to a planet and you discover it, the way it looks for you will be that way every time you come back. And when I say planet, I mean whole planets. These things are massive. And just how many of these planets are there? Oh, not that many. Only 18 quintillion of them. 18 quintillion. That number boggles my mind. It is so huge. To put it in perspective for you, 18 quintillion planets would take people playing 24 hours a day, exactly 585 billion years to discover them all. 585 billion years. It's incomprehensible because it's not possible. So it's got the basic setup. You can play as one of many classes, e.g. an explorer, a pirate, a trader, a hunter, or a miner. And each race does their role the way you would want them to. A trader trades, a miner mines, a hunter hunts, and a pirate is a guy that robs other ships, blows them up, and is all about numero uno, himself. Me, of course, I'm going to be a miner. I always love playing as the guy that collects minerals, upgrades his tech, and then becomes a badass at the end with the best weapons, the best equipment, and the best ships. And I can guarantee you that I'm going to build up my ship to make it the best thing the galaxy has ever seen. It will be like an X-Wing fighter on steroids. And also in No Man's Sky, there are multiple races that you will come across. Different aliens, and you can interact with them in different ways. You can make them your allies or your enemies, and then when you fly away in space, if they discover you, whether they're on your team or against you, they'll either help you out in battle or they'll try and shoot you out of the sky. But on the whole, a game like No Man's Sky is something I've never seen before. Something this big in scale and gameplay. Will it deliver on everything it promises? I hope so, because if it doesn't, it will be a letdown to thousands or millions of people around the world. But if it does deliver, I'm going to go on record by saying that this is the dark horse of 2016. You got your new Call of Duty, you got Battlefield 1, you have Uncharted 4, which is one of the greatest games I've ever played. You have Deus Ex. You know, you got all these games this year that are really good. But No Man's Sky, I believe, will be the best out of all of them. So normally this is the part of the video where I judge. Well, there's nothing to judge at this stage. The Rode VideoMic Pro is an awesome microphone. If I were to judge this, I would say anyone that's starting YouTube, anyone that's starting any sort of video documentary or interview process, this microphone is worth a buy. So it's just a matter of time now, waiting for No Man's Sky to come. Are you excited? I'm excited. I'm so excited. No Man's Sky, come on! So now we just wait day by day. When the 9th of August comes and I play No Man's Sky, I will throw up a review on everything about this game. Obviously I can't discover everything in the game and then review it because I'd have to play for over 585 billion years to do so. Oh, No Man's Sky. Come on out, No Man's Sky. As always, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more reviews and more tech, more games. But until next time, I'm Phil Judges saying, come on out, No Man's Sky. Comment below if you like my singing.